Happy morning, children. Today we are going to learn tense. There are 12 tenses in English. We have already learned this: present tense, past tense, basic. Okay, future tense. In that, present tense it is simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Okay. Next, past and simple past, past continuous, continuous spelling is wrong here, past perfect continuous. Same way you have future, simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous. These are the 12 tenses. 4 3s are 12. Okay. Now, simple present tense. Simple present tense, whatever happening in the present, daily happenings. Okay, subject, singular, plural, first person, that is I. Plural is we, you, he, she, it. Plural is they. So, for first person, personal pronouns. That is called personal pronouns. Simple present sentence examples I'll tell you. I, we, you, they. Then how will you add a helping verb? What is a helping verb? If you add do, then for he, she you should say does. For plurals we say do. If it is singular we say does. Verb is base used in base form. That is called V1 form. That is, you need not learn what is V1. Verb is used in the base form. Okay, whatever actions is taking place, that takes place. Habitual actions, you brushes her teeth, goes to school daily, that are not subject, helping verb, main verb. That is a simple present. Speak. Base form is speak, speaks. Continuous form speaking. Past spoke. Past participle spoken. Shine, shines, shining. Shone, shown. These are the forms. Basic form is shine. So it is changing. Subject plus helping verb plus main verb. I do speak English. That is how the sentence, helping verb, main verb. Okay. He does speak English. He does speak English. Then, affirmative, negative. Two types of sentences are there. You know what is negative? Not, doesn't, like that it will come. So, for these are just examples. I, we, you, they, you add do. Already we learn now how we add do. He does. He, she, it means does. This is the sentence. I do speak English. When it is negative form, how will you add the word? I do not. We do not. You do not. They do not. These are examples. He does not. She does not. So the verb is, when the subject is singular, the verb is plural. That is why the word is changing. Negative contraction, that is do not, we know this now. Do plus not. Don't, doesn't. So this is the subject plus helping verb plus main verb. Same thing in questions form. What will happen? You have to change the order. Helping verb will come first, then subject, then main verb. Okay. Do I speak? Do we speak? Do you speak? Okay. Do they speak? So the helping verb comes first. Does he? Does she? Does it? Okay, then the question mark comes. So the helping verb plus subject plus main verb. That is a formula. That is the order of the sentence. Okay, what are the simple present tense keywords? Everyday, daily, mostly, generally, usually, casually, normally, regularly, always, often, rarely, sometimes, seldom, hardly, on Sunday, ever, never, first and then. Okay, regularly done task. It is used to express all habitual actions and action that always happens, future planned action, proverbs, remember, sayings of a great person, historical, daily நிகழ்வுகள், universal truths. Now present continuous. What is continuous? Continuous spelling is CONTINUOUS. What is present continuous? ING form. I'll give you the formula now. I am, you are, we are, they are, he, she, it is. Verb used in continuous form or ING form. It denotes an action that is continuous, that is happening now, live action. Subject plus helping verb plus main verb, that is ING form. Speak, speak, speaking. Spoke, spoken. That is the form of the verbs. Here continuous form is speaking, shining. Subject plus helping verb plus main verb, that is ING form. That is a formula. I am speaking English. Okay. Is it clear now? Continuous. Present continuous. Continuous means ING form. Present continuous, I am. Am is coming there. Helping verb. You are speaking. She is speaking. Am, is, are. These are the words. So the same way you are going to learn some examples for continuous. That is affirmative, negative also. Affirmative is positive sentence. I am. We are. You are. They are. He, she is. It. You are speaking English. They are speaking English. So in negative form, how it will come? I, we, you, they. What will come with that? I am not. We are not. He is not. Okay. That is negative form of continuous. Yes, present continuous. These are all present continuous. Am, is, are வந்து present tense க்கு வரும். அது ING வந்துச்சுன்னா it is continuous, present continuous. Negative aren't, aren't, isn't. Positive contraction I am, we are. This one you know. You can use contractions. Next is same sentence. How we are going to change the form of the sentence. See here. I am speaking English. Now next is you are speaking English. This is the form of the verb. Questions. Okay. As I told you, question means helping verb will come first. Then the subject. Am I speaking English? Are we speaking English? Are you speaking English? Are they speaking English? Is she? Is he? Is it speaking English? So these are the form of sentences, question forms. How to change a sentence into question form. ING form. Okay. Look, she is looking at us. Look, she is doing the homework. Like that. Listen. These are the words. It is used to express an action that is happening at the moment of speaking. இப்போ நான் ஸ்பீக் பண்ணும்போது happening, live action. happening around the moment of speaking, not live action also. Around the going to happen in future, irritating the speaker happens more number of times. Irritating the speaker is more number of times. For this we are using. Present perfect. Perfect means simple ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. Has, have, had ஓட வரும். Okay. I plus helping verb, main verb. Verb used in past participle. Past participle na that is past tense தனியா இருக்கும், past participle தனியா இருக்கும். Run, ran, run. Read, read, read. Like that. It denotes an happen, action already. Action that happened already. Recent past action. Recent நடந்த past action. What is the form of the past participle? Speak என்ன? Spoken. I have spoken. She has spoken. They have spoken. அப்போ spoken தான் அது. Perfect. Helping verb plus main verb. Subject plus helping verb plus main verb. I have spoken. Have, has, had. ஓட வரது தான் perfect tense. So we are learning here present perfect. Present perfect ரெண்டே வேர்டு தான் வரும். Has, have. I has வராது. I have. We have. You have. They have. He has. Singular. She has. It has. I மட்டும் சிங்குலர்னாலும் ரூல் அப்ளை ஆகாது. I is separate. ஐக்கு have தான் வரும். I have spoken English. We have spoken English. நெகட்டிவ் வரும்போது நெகட்டிவ் சென்டென்ஸ் வரும். He has spoken English. She has spoken English. Like that. Okay. So has, have ஓட வரும்போது present perfect tense. Had வந்த past perfect. That we will learn next. So this is clear for you. Present perfect. I have not. Have, has. We have not spoken. The tense is also changing. Verb tense. Have not, haven't, hasn't. I plus have. I have, we have. You have, they have. He is. She is. It is. I plus helping verb. Have. We have. You have. They have. Spoken English. He has spoken English. She has spoken. It has spoken. Question form. Helping verb. அப்போ இந்த has, have first வரும். Have I. Have we. Have you. Have they. Spoken English. Has he. Has she. Has it. அதே வந்து திருப்பி இந்த பக்கம் போடணும். Helping verb first போடணும். Then main verb. Question mark. That is why how questions are formed. Present perfect oda keywords recently, already, just now, just before, so far, since, for long, how long, etc. Has happened already in the past, recently using adverb of time, happened once or number of times earlier. Present perfect continuous. Continuous is ing. Perfect க்கு has, have சொன்ன. I have been, this is a word. She has been, it has been. Then verb is used in the continuous ing form. It denotes an action that has started in the past. Start ஆயிடுச்சு, still happening. Subject plus helping verb plus main verb, ing form. Okay va? Have been, has been. So present perfect ku enna varum? Helping verb, main verb. Again that is given here. I have been speaking English. I have speaking English sollakodadhu. Okay, I have been speaking English. So has, have சேர்த்துட்டு ing form சேர்த்தா perfect continuous. Next is same thing, that is we are going to learn how to change it. I have been speaking English. You have been speaking. She, he வரும்போது has singular. She has been speaking. It has been speaking. Here they are telling about negative sentences. I have been not. He has been not speaking English. I have been not speaking English. You have been not speaking English. They have been not. They have not been kuda varum. I plus helping verb. Have been. You have been. They have been. He has been speaking English. So questions, how will you form? Helping verb should come first. Then subject. Have been I. Have been we. Have been we. Have you been? Have they been? Have I been? Like that you have to change. Have been சேர்க்கும்போது sentence formation correct up. So for present perfect continuous, since, for, lately, hold, these words can be used. So this is also the action happened, started happening in the past, still going on. If it is not given time of happening, it's not given simple past tense. Simple past tense is something that has happened in the past already, over. I did my homework. I did. Helping verb did. Yes, it denotes the action already happened in the past. Completed action. It denotes completed action in the past. Subject plus helping verb. What is the past tense? Speak, spoke. That is a simple past. That is a basic thing. Subject plus helping verb plus main verb. I did. I did spoke வராது. I did spoke vara. This is wrong, children. I did will not come. Did is the past tense. For any word, you have to change it to the past tense form. That's all. Keywords: yesterday, the day before, previous day, in the last in 2016 December ago, on Sunday at 3 p.m. These are all the things, words, keywords. Action happened in the past with time. Action happened over a period of time in the past. Now past continuous tense. Continuous illa continuous. Okay. I was, we were, you were, they were. He was, she was, plus verb continuous or ing form. It denotes an action that was happening at some time in the past. Subject, helping verb plus main verb. Subject plus helping verb plus main verb, ing form. Continuous form, ing. Speak, speaking. I was speaking English. You were speaking. You was illa. You were speaking, she was speaking. So for the affirmative and negative, they are given you examples. Yes, so I was speaking. Negative, how the subject will I was not, you were not, she was not. Next one is questions. Was I, were we, were you, were you speaking English, were they, was she, was he speaking English, was it speaking English, yes. Action happening at some time in the past. An action that happened. Continuous is happening. Past perfect tense. So for past perfect you should add what is the word you should add? Had. Past ku had mattumda. Past perfect continuous or past perfect tense, whatever it is. Past perfect and the word vandale had mattumda. Past ku had. Present has, have. Has use pannalam, have use pannalam. Subject plus helping verb plus main verb. I had spoken. Past ku vandu past perfect ku had varanum word. Okay. I had spoken. He had spoken. So in this itself they are telling had use பண்ணி எப்படி வந்து affirmative sentence and negative sentence. Negative sentence, I had not, she had not. Questions, had I, had we, had you, had they, had she, had he, had it, spoken English. Okay, we'll continue this in the next video, children.